Mario Teodoro Ted Failon Itong, born March 29, 1962, is a Filipino broadcast journalist and former politician. He served as a representative of the 1st District of Leyte from 2001 to 2004, a broadcast journalist previously for ABS-CBN. He previously presented news for Radio Patrol Balita Alas Said alongside Nolita Castro, and on his own program Failon Engay on SADZMM. He also presented Hoy Gising, the nightly news program TV Patrol from 2004 to 2020, and his own investigative program Failon Engay on television. Failon was born as Mario Teodoro Failon Itong on March 29, 1962, to Jose Carson Itong, a jeepney driver, and Josefina Quibulan Failon, a market vendor. Failon completed his elementary education at Sacred Heart High School in Tacloban in 1974. As a high school student, he worked as a room boy in Tacloban, a waiter, and a construction worker to help his family make ends meet. He completed his secondary education at Perpetual Help College of Rizal in Las Piñas in 1979. He later studied economics at Colegio de San Juan de Letra, during which he worked as a disc jockey DJ, before transferring to Divine Word University to study mass communication. However, he did not complete his studies at either institution, as he also left school upon marriage in 1985. Failon finally graduated in 1996, earning his broadcast communication degree at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. He also pursued law at the Aureliano Law Foundation, but did not finish the program. Failon worked for DYP-LM, based in Tacloban, as a driver and reporter in 1982, announcer and production head from 1983 to 1987, and station manager from 1987 to 1988. He later moved to Angeles City, where he became the program director of DWGV-FM from 1988 to 1990. Failon joined ABS-CBN Broadcasting Corporation in 1990 as a news desk editor. He later became a radio anchor for DZMM and ABS-CBN News executive producer and anchor. He later became the host and executive producer of the morning television show Hoy Gising. He became the radio news manager for DZMM in 1995, although he had entered politics as representative of the 1st District of Leyte from 2001 to 2004. He continued at ABS-CBN as a part-time DZMM anchor and host of Good News on ANC. After his congressional term, he returned as a full-time journalist for ABS-CBN as a DZMM anchor. He was named as anchor of the revamped TV Patrol World, now TV Patrol, in 2004. He later became the host of his own investigative program, Failon Engay in 2009. On August 30th, 2020, ABS-CBN management confirmed that Failon decided to part ways with the network. He made his final appearance on TV Patrol and Failon Ngayon sa Teleradio on August 31st. Failon signed with TV5 on September 11, 2020. He later became the host of Ted Failon at DJ Cha-Cha SA Radio 5 alongside Zarina Marie Guevara, widely known as DJ Cha-Cha. Also previously from ABS-CBN on Radio 5 92.3 News FM. He and Guevara later became the hosts of Good Morning Capitid on TV5 and RPTV, where they appear for the hookup with the radio program's newscast segment. Failon married Trinidad Artech in 1985. The couple had two daughters, Kay born 1985 and Karishma born 1996. In 2009, his wife, aged 44, committed suicide in their family residence in Quezon City. In July 2020, the Court of Appeals' Justice Pablito A. Perez, 12th Division, denied the defamation complaint filed by Senator Francis Tolentino against Failon. The 2017 case stemmed from Failon's commentary of possible misuse of public funds when MMDA Tolentino purchased used motorcycles. The appellate court ordered the Cavite Regional Trial Court, Branch 18, to dismiss the criminal proceedings. In July 2024, the Supreme Court has dismissed the indirect contempt against Failon. The court held that Failon's interview in a pending case between Satter Ocampo and Leandro Mendoza with Stratcom Corporation is not contumacious and protected by the freedom of speech. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.